So let's go ahead and look at what hierarchies are in Power BI. Let's get our data first. Okay, so I'm selecting the modeling, then transform. Okay, so as we saw in the data cleaning episodes, we realized that whenever we load our data over here, Power BI tries to apply some steps to it, and then that is not what we really want, so let's try to take them out. You see something over here like Matimiho Enterprise, the Ghana company's doing. Yes, I have a fan, sir. So you see something like Matimiho Enterprise. Okay, this is the name of the company, so we are not really interested in this one. And over here we can see that our column have been labeled as column 1 through to column 4, and that is not what we want. We can see our unit price, quantity sold, discount. These are supposed to be our columns. So let's go ahead and then remove this one and then this one, and this is something we didn't touch on. So quick one to remove these ones. We can see remove rows over here under the home tab. So let's go ahead and click on this one, say remove top rows. Then it's going to ask you of the number of rows you want to remove, which is you want to remove this and that. So let's push 2 in there. Okay, so when we are done, we know that this is not our headers, so we have to promote it by selecting this use as. Okay, so let's go ahead and then change this one to dates. All right. Okay, so I think we are cool with this data. Just forget about the fact that this one here has got some decimal elements in there. Okay, so I think we are cool with this one. The next thing we are going to do is to look at the data types. We can see that this element over here, or this particular column, has got a data type which is similar to this. This one too has got the number, and the number. So I think we are cool to go. Let's go ahead and click on close and apply. So let's wait for it to finish. Alright, so Power BI is true with that. Okay, now when we open this one here, this particular caret, for instance, if I should click on this one, you can see everything is hidden. Okay, now when I click on this one, I see this drop down. If I should go ahead and then click this one, something amazing is going to happen. And look at this. If I should click on this one, you can see something called date hierarchy. Okay, that is a data hierarchy. I'm coming. Let me show you this. Okay, this is data hierarchy. So this is the hierarchy we've been talking about all this while. Okay, but what is the hierarchy doing here? It is trying to break down or I don't know how to explain this, but it's actually trying to break the dates down to day, month, quarterly, yearly, and then that. Okay, you get that idea. Alright, so if I should click on it, you can see date, quarter, month, and the date. That is something we didn't do. Microsoft Power BI actually did that for us automatically under the hood. Okay, alright, so this is what we call hierarchy. We'll be looking at how to build a custom hierarchies very soon. Okay, so let's go ahead and then look at the relevance of this one. Okay, first of all, I want to click on this particular thing under the visualizations. Okay, and we can see that it appears over here. Let me adjust the size a bit and then push, just click on it and drag it, just drag it here. Okay, and easy. This is something we didn't do, but this is the doing of Microsoft Power BI, and you can see that Power BI has been able to break them down to year, quarter, month, day, and we can do anything at all we want to do with this kind of data. And this is what we are calling the hierarchies. Okay, we can build our custom hierarchies by just dragging and dropping the elements on top of each other. For instance, I can just drag the discount, push it to quantity sold like that. Okay, and it's creating a hierarchy for me like that. Okay, let me drag the unit price onto it, and you can see that that is also going to be part of the hierarchy thing. So let me click on this one here and then push quantity sold hierarchy in here, and you can see, yeah, we have quantity sold discounting, but I I know you don't see the relevance of this one right now, but you get to understand it very soon. Thank you.